Hey there, young mathematicians. Today, we're going to discover a math secret: what happens when we multiply negative numbers. You might be wondering, why does a negative times a negative make a positive? And why does a negative times a positive stay negative? Let's find out together. Imagine you're saving money in a piggy bank. You decide to save $3 every day. After 5 days, how much have you saved? 3 times 5 equals $15. That's easy, right? But what if you were spending $3 every day instead? That's like minus 3 times 5. Now, after 5 days, you have spent $15, so you have minus 15. A negative number. Now, here's the tricky part. What if we go back in time? Let's say instead of spending money for 5 days, we look at what we had 5 days ago before we started spending. That's like reversing the spending. If spending $3 a day was minus 3, going back in time 5 days is like multiplying by minus 5. And guess what? The answer is plus 15. That's why a negative times a negative makes a positive. Let's use a number line to see another way to think about this. We start at 0. If we multiply positive numbers, we move forward. For example, 2 times 3 means we take 2 steps forward 3 times. 2, 4, 6. If we multiply a negative by a positive, we move backward. For example, minus 2 times 3 means we take minus 2 steps 3 times. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Now, what happens if we multiply minus 2 times minus 3? It means we reverse direction. Instead of moving left, we now go right. So, minus 2 times minus 3 brings us to positive 6. That's why 2 negatives make a positive. Still confused? Try this. Think of multiplying like flipping a sign. A positive times a positive? The sign stays positive. A negative times a positive? We flip it to negative. A negative times a negative? We flip it twice, so it turns positive again. Multiplying negatives can seem tricky at first, but with practice, it makes sense. Negative times positive? It's still negative. Negative times negative? It becomes positive. Try it yourself and see the math magic in action. Keep learning, and remember, math is fun.